Hi everyone, my name is Queenie and I'm a nail artist based in LA, and today I want to show you a really fun and simple nail art that is inspired by one of the classic snacks during the warmer season. So let's dive in and do some popsicle nail art together. The tools that you need are a cut up piece of foil, a cleanup brush or a makeup angle brush, a liner brush or a makeup eyeliner brush. The colors that you need for this art look are an opaque white, a true red, and a sky blue. Use the piece of foil as your color palettes and start pouring out the colors that you need for the art. So let's do a generous drop of red, as well as a generous drop of blue, and now you're ready. First step, let's do a thin layer of base coat on all your nails and be sure to cap the edges. This is to prevent your nails from staining, as well as creating a foundation for the additional layers of colors. Now you're going to do 2 thin layers of the opaque white on your nails as the base color. This color can get streaky pretty easily, but don't worry, do the best you can, and when the art is on, it can cover up some of the imperfections. It is important to wait for the base color to dry at least 10 minutes before you start the art. Now that we're ready for the art part, we're going to work on the blue section first. Dip your brush in the blue color and start creating this wavy line or scallop-like line across your nail horizontally to map out where the blue section would be, and start filling it with the blue color. One thing to mention is, since this section is so close to the cuticle area, you probably will get some polish on the skin, but don't freak out because you can always go back and clean up later with a cleanup brush. Now that you're done with the blue section, let's move on to the red section. Dip your liner brush in the red polish, and what you're going to do is to go ahead and mimic the same line that you did earlier with the blue, but go toward the end, mapping out where the red section would be, and then filling it with the red polish. Do the same on all your nails. Now that you're all done with the art, it's time for top coat. I would wait 10 to 15 minutes for the art to be completely dry before you top coat so that you don't drag the polish across the nail. And voila, our nails are done. I think we all deserve a popsicle at this time. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed that. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and I would definitely love to see you recreate the look. And when you do, please don't forget to tag IPSY so we can see your recreation. And until next time, bye!